Welcome to our channel, guys. Today we are going to see how to draw dimension for a figure. To draw dimension, first we need to sketch some figures. Click sketch, create sketch, and assign which view you want to draw, and click this one. For example, I'm just choosing a circle and a rectangle and a line. Okay. Now we are going to dimension it. Before that, it looks in blue color because it's not dimensioned it. Okay, so I'm going to draw dimension. First click sketch dimension and just click this one. So you could see 124 meter. You can adjust this by clicking backspace and click which mm you want. I need 70 mm, so just click 70 mm. You could see it's changed, right? Now I need to assign the height of the rectangle. So just click this one and just pull it over, enter. Now you could see the rectangle is dimensioned, but still it's not dimensioned properly. So you could see blue color lines. So to stop this, we need to dimension from a particular point. So we have axis point here, right? So from this axis point, we need to dimension it. Click this axis point and this point. Now you could see the length. Now you could see the blue color turned to black because it shows the figure is properly dimensioned. Then I need to dimension this two sides properly. So just click this point and this point. That's it. So the entire rectangle turned into black color because we dimensioned it properly. And now we need to dimension this line. How to draw this dimension? Just click sketch dimension, line, just pull it. You could see enter, but still it's hanging somewhere. So from the axis we need to draw dimension. From click this one and this one and pull it over, just click enter. You could see the line is properly dimensioned. And now we have circle. How to draw dimension for the circle? Just click the center point and the end of the circle and just click enter. Now you could see how much diameter you need. I need a 30 mm, so 30 mm, enter. So you could see the circle become very small. Now I need to assign dimension properly so that I could see. I could vanish this blue color and I can get a black color. Okay, so just click this point and the axis. You could dimension various several ways, but from the axis, if you dimension properly, it would be changed into black color. Now see, from the x-axis I drawn dimension, but still it looks in blue color. So I need to change this. It's not dimension properly, so I need to draw dimension from this point to this point, x-axis. If I click this one, then the entire circle become black color. Let's see. As I said, it become black color. That's all. It shows the figure is dimensioned properly. That's all about this video, guys. If you need any queries or if you need any videos, just click subscribe, like, and just put it in our comment box so that I can make video for you. That's all about our video.